Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of microbes. Before proceeding further, if you wish to go through the microbiology-related products, please refer the link in the description below. Today, we're shedding light on a topic that affects both humans and animals alike: zoonotic diseases. What is zoonotic disease? A zoonotic disease is an infectious disease that can be transmitted from animals to humans and vice versa. These diseases are caused by pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Zoonotic diseases pose a significant threat to public health and can lead to outbreaks and pandemics if not effectively controlled. What are the causes of zoonotic disease? Zoonotic diseases have various causes, but they primarily arise due to the interaction between humans, animals, and the environment. Some key causes include direct contact. Close contact with infected animals or their bodily fluids can lead to zoonotic disease transmission. This includes activities such as handling of livestock, hunting, and contact with pets. Consumption of contaminated food or water. Consuming food or water contaminated with pathogens from infected animals can result in zoonotic infections. Improper food handling, inadequate cooking, and poor sanitation practices can contribute to the spread of these diseases. Vector-borne transmission. Zoonotic diseases can be transmitted to humans through bites from infected vectors such as mosquitoes, ticks, fleas, and flies. These vectors act as carriers for pathogens, transferring them from animals to humans during feeding. Environmental factors. Environmental changes, such as deforestation, urbanization, and climate change, can alter the habitats and behaviors of animals and vectors, leading to increased interactions with humans and greater opportunities for disease transmission. Agricultural practices. Intensive farming methods, including overcrowding of animals, use of antibiotics, and lack of biosecurity measures, can create ideal conditions for the emergence and spread of zoonotic diseases among livestock and workers. Wildlife trade and encroachment. The trade and trafficking of wild animals for food, pets, and traditional medicine can facilitate the spread of zoonotic pathogens. Encroachment into natural habitats also increases the risk of human-wildlife contact and disease transmission. Genetic mutations and adaptations. Pathogens may undergo genetic mutations or adaptations that enable them to infect new hosts, including humans. These changes can enhance the virulence or transmissibility of zoonotic diseases, leading to outbreaks and pandemics. What are the types of zoonotic diseases? Bacterial zoonotic diseases. It includes diseases like 1. Anthrax. Caused by the bacterium Bacillus anthracis and can infect humans through contact with contaminated animals or their products. 2. Brucellosis. Transmitted from animals like cattle, goats, and pigs to humans through consumption of unpasteurized dairy products or contact with infected tissues. 3. Lyme disease. Spread to humans through the bite of infected ticks carrying the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi. 4. Plague disease. Spread to human through bites from infected fleas or by coming into contact with infected animals like wild rodents. Viral zoonotic diseases. It includes diseases like 1. Rabies. Caused by the rabies virus and transmitted through the bite or scratch of infected animals, particularly dogs, bats, and wildlife. 2. Influenza. Various strains of influenza viruses can infect humans through close contact with infected animals, including birds, avian influenza, and pigs, swine influenza. 3. Ebola virus disease. Transmitted to humans through contact with infected animals, such as fruit bats and primates, or consumption of bushmeat in regions where the virus is endemic. Parasitic zoonotic diseases. It includes diseases like 1. Toxoplasmosis. Caused by the parasite Toxoplasma gondii, which can be transmitted to humans through ingestion of contaminated food or water or contact with infected cat feces. 2. Leishmaniasis. Spread by the bite of infected sandflies and caused by various species of the Leishmania parasite. 3. Giardiasis. Caused by the parasite Giardia lamblia and transmitted through ingestion of contaminated food or water, often from infected animals like beavers and livestock. Fungal zoonotic diseases. It includes diseases like 1. Ringworm. A fungal infection caused by various species of dermatophytes that can be transmitted from animals to humans through direct contact or contact with contaminated surfaces. 2. Sporotrichosis. Caused by the fungus Sporothrix schenki and typically acquired through scratches or bites from infected animals, particularly cats. Prion diseases. It includes disease like bovine spongiform encephalopathy, BSE, or mad cow disease, a prion disease that affects cattle and can be transmitted to humans through consumption of contaminated beef products, leading to variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, VCJD. How to prevent zoonotic diseases. Practice good hygiene. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and water after handling animals, animal products, or coming into contact with potentially contaminated surfaces. Avoid touching your face, mouth, or eyes with unwashed hands, especially after handling animals or being in animal environments. Ensure food safety. Cook meat, poultry, and eggs thoroughly to kill any harmful pathogens. Avoid consuming raw or undercooked animal products, including meat, milk, and eggs. Practice proper food handling and storage to prevent cross-contamination between raw and cooked foods. Vaccinate pets and livestock. Ensure that pets and livestock are up to date on vaccinations to prevent the spread of zoonotic diseases such as rabies and leptospirosis. Follow recommended vaccination schedules and consult with a veterinarian for guidance on appropriate vaccines for specific animals. Implement vector control measures. Use insect repellents and wear protective clothing to prevent bites from disease-carrying vectors like mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas. Keep living areas clean and free of standing water to reduce breeding sites for mosquitoes and other vectors. Practice responsible animal handling. Avoid direct contact with wild animals, especially those exhibiting unusual behavior or signs of illness. Use protective gear, such as gloves and face masks, when handling animals known to carry zoonotic pathogens. Promote environmental conservation. Preserve natural habitats and biodiversity to minimize human-wildlife interactions and reduce the risk of zoonotic disease transmission. Implement sustainable land use practices and avoid activities that contribute to deforestation, habitat destruction, and wildlife trafficking. Educate communities and healthcare professionals. Raise awareness about zoonotic diseases and their prevention strategies through public health campaigns, educational materials, and community outreach programs. Provide training and resources to healthcare professionals for early detection, diagnosis, and treatment of zoonotic diseases. Support One Health initiatives. Implement One Health approaches that integrate surveillance, research, and policy interventions to prevent and control zoonotic diseases effectively. Conclusion. From Ebola to Zika to avian influenza, zoonotic diseases continue to challenge our global health security. It's crucial that we remain vigilant and proactive in our efforts to prevent and control these threats. Remember, knowledge is our most potent weapon against zoonotic diseases. By raising awareness, fostering cooperation, and prioritizing the health of both humans and animals, we can build a safer, healthier future for all. Thank you for watching.